Hey all, welcome to the session. And in this lecture, we are going to talk about the Anaconda Navigator, which is a very helpful tool for all of us. Where it is a toolkit, friends, actually, which is a toolkit. It comes with Python, Jupyter Notebook, and libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, all in one package, and super helpful for all the data scientists and as well as the machine learning engineers. Now, I'll be sharing this particular document with you, friends, where simple, typical how you install other softwares in Windows machine, like next only. Just you need to download and you have to select whether that is a Windows, Macintosh, or Linux-based kind of the environments. And latest version is Python. Any latest version you can select, the 3.x version, which is the latest stable version. And all these kind of the instructions clearly I have mentioned so that you can make use of this particular document and install the Anaconda Navigator, because in the next session I'm going to start the basic coding of the Python, and which really requires this particular Jupyter notebook. And how do you launch this particular Jupyter notebook, and how do you start with the coding and all? I'll show in this lecture only. So just if you see that you need to have this particular Jupyter notebook installation in your machine, so that obviously you can start working with the coding. We will start slowly, no problem. And if you consider all these kind of the narrations, just we are going to talk about the kind of the conventions, like variables, and how do we identify the objects and data types, how to start coding, and how to take the input from keyboard. All these things we are going to talk. Now, just to notify, I have pasted this particular Anaconda .com products and navigator. If I'm clicking this, obviously it leads to some sort of another this thing, friends. Hope you're able to see. This particular Anaconda Navigator, there is a download now. Okay, where I already have downloaded this, and so it is a kind of package where which is many things are there. Okay, so this now latest they revamped this particular thing, and you can see various products, platform overview, trusted distribution, secure governance, actionable insights, and as well as some sort of the solutions, resources available. And there is a kind of case study, blogs, and all resources. All these things are there, friends. And company Anaconda is really giving us the best products in terms of all these navigators and all these other products. Now, if you see, friends, here, if you can consider this is the interface actually, Anaconda Navigator interface, and where you can select this particular notebook. Okay, so initially, if after installation, just you need to go to the Windows search, and of course you can select the Anaconda Navigator. Obviously, you can open the Navigator with all the various tools. Otherwise, you can directly type the Jupyter Notebook also. It lands you this kind of the interface, and then you can select out of the existing with the new option, whatever the new option. And just I have selected this new option. So where directly, or else if I want to select a new notebook for us, just you can select the new notebook. It freshly opens a new notebook for us. See, just it is connecting with some kind of the IP1B, okay, which is nothing but interactive Python notebook. Okay, so just this is the interface where we are going to spend our lot of time in this particular interface only. Okay. So just I'll come back, friends, in the next session with a simple coding, where so far we have seen various roles of the AI engineer, machine learning engineer, data scientist, deep learning engineer, and as well as NLP, computer vision, Gen AI kind of aspects. In the current lecture, I have introduced you the kind of navigator, where this particular navigator is a place which will give you the kind of interface to code, and after installation directly you can start working with the coding aspects. Okay, So thank you, friends. In the next session, we'll start with simple programming. Okay. Thank you.